Hello students, I am Drishtisha. Today we will learn Chapter 7 Addition and Subtraction within 20, a topic of Grade 1 Math. In this chapter, we will learn the following topics: addition within 20, addition word problems, subtraction within 20, subtraction word problems, and some exercise. So let's start. Adding two one-digit numbers. Add by counting on. Let's see an example. Kate has 8 papayas. Jocelyn gives her 3 more papayas. How many papayas does Kate have altogether? That means here we have to add 8 and 3. As you can see in the picture, first there are 8 papayas. So after 8 we will start counting. What comes after 8? 9. So 9, 10, 11. So I can say that Kate has 11 papayas all together. We read it as 8 plus 3 equals 11. The sign is read as plus. It means addition or put together. Second example. Jocelyn has 7 oranges. She buys 5 more oranges. How many oranges does she have now? Do you remember how to do addition? Now we have two numbers, 7 and 5. So bigger number in mind, smaller number in fingers. Which is bigger number? 7. So keep 7 in mind. The another number 5 in hand. So take out 5 fingers. Now we'll start counting. After 7. What comes after 7? 8. So let's start counting. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 plus 5 equals 12. Jocelyn has 12 oranges now. Exercise 1. Fill in the boxes. There are erasers. How many are there? We need to count them. In the first part there are 8 erasers. In the next part there are 4. So we have to add 8 plus 4. Now in the table, as you can see, I have written in standing position. As they are only one digit numbers, I can write 8 and below that 4 will come, and beside 4 one plus sign will come. Now we'll add them. 8 in mind, 4 in fingers. Start counting after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. Second. Oh, so many strawberries. Let's count them. 7 plus 8. Now which is bigger, 7 or 8? 8. So 8 in mind and 7 in fingers. We'll count after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there are 15 strawberries all together. Third one. Chocolates. Let's count them. 9 plus 9. Now one 9 in mind, the other 9 in fingers. We'll count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are 18 chocolates all together. Next topic. Adding one digit and two digit numbers. Add ones to a 10. Let's see an example. First one. Look at the dots on these cards. How many dots are there all together? As you can see in the picture, in the first part there are 10 dots and in the second part there are 5 dots. Let's count them. Previously we saw the examples of only one digit numbers. Now we have a 2-digit and a 1-digit number. So let's see how to add them. 10 is an 2-digit number, so it is divided in two parts, tens and ones, while 5 is just a single digit number, so it will come in ones. Now the addition rule is that it always starts from back, that is from ones place. So here a step 1 is add the ones, that is 0 plus 5. Now do you remember when we add 0 to any number, what is the answer? The number itself. So here 0 plus 5, the answer will be 5. Now we move on to step 2, that is add the tens. Over here we have just one number. Below that nothing is there, so we'll consider it as 0. Now 1 plus 0 means simply 1. Therefore our answer is 15. There are 15 dots all together. Let's see one more example. Ishan has 13 marbles. Akif gives him 4 more marbles. How many marbles does Ishan have altogether? Let's count them. What is step 1? Addition always starts from back, that is ones place. So our step 1 will be add the ones. Now 13 is a 2-digit number and 4 is just a single digit number. So first we will add 3 plus 4. 4 bigger number in mind, 3 smaller number in fingers. Start counting after 4. 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Now step 2, add the tens. Again just one number, that is 1. So we'll simple copy it down. So our answer is 17. That is Ishan has 17 marbles all together. Exercise 2. Add the following numbers. First one, 13 plus 6. 13 is a 2-digit number, therefore divided in two parts, tens and ones. First we will add ones because addition always starts from ones place. So what is 3 plus 6? Count it. 6 in mind, 3 in fingers. Start counting after 6. 7, 8, 9. And now step 2. Add the tens. Now over here we have just 1. So simply copy it down. So answer is 19. Second one, 12 plus 5. First add 2 plus 5. 5 in mind, 2 in fingers. Start counting after 5. 6, 7. Second step, add the tens. Only one digit, that is 1. Copy it down. So answer is 17. Third one, 11 plus 7. First step, add the ones. That is 1 plus 7. 7 in mind, 1 in finger. Start counting after 7. 8. So 1 plus 7 is 8. Step 2, add the tens. Again single digit, that is 1. Copy it down. So the answer is 18. Next topic, addition word problems. First example, Jenny has 5 pink caps. She has 4 blue caps. How many caps does she have all together? As you can see in the picture, Jenny has 5 caps and the another 4 caps. So in the first box you will write first number, that is 5. Then in the small next box plus sign will come. In the third box the another number, that is 4 will come. In the fourth small box, again equals to sign will come. And in the last fifth box, the final answer will come. What is 5 plus 4? 5 in mind, 4 in fingers. Start counting after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Jenny has 9 caps all together. Let's see one more example. There are 9 teddy bears. There are 8 toy cars. So how many toys are there altogether? Again the rule. First number in the first box, that is 9. Then in the small box, plus sign. In the third box, the second number, that is 8. In the fourth box, equals to sign. And in the last box, the answer. Now what is 9 plus 8? 9 in mind, 8 in fingers. We'll start counting after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there are 17 toys all together. Now we start a new topic, that is subtraction. First we will see subtracting 1-digit numbers from 2-digit numbers. The first method is subtract by counting backward. Let's see an example. Rashmi has 14 rubber ducks. She gives 3 of them to her sister. So now how many rubber ducks does she have left? Let's find it out for her. As you can see in the picture, there are 14 rubber ducks, out of which 3 she gave to her sister. So we'll cancel the last 3 ducks. Now we'll count backwards. That is, we'll start counting from 14. 14, then 13, 12 and 11. So she has now 11 rubber ducks left with her. We write it as 14, then minus symbol, 3 equals to sign 11. We read it as 14 minus 3 equals 11. So she has 11 rubber ducks left. Let's see another example. Ahmed has 12 cookies. 4 are chocolate chip cookies. The rest are jam cookies. How many jam cookies does he have? Let's count them. Total is 12 cookies. So we'll start counting backwards. Before 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So I can say that Ahmed has 8 jam cookies. Again we write it as 12, then the minus symbol, 4 equals to sign and 8. We read it as 12 minus 4 equals 8. He has 8 jam cookies. Now we'll see another method of subtraction. Subtract from ones only. Let's see from an example. Suhana has 16 chocolates. She eats 4 chocolates. How many chocolates does she have left? Now 16 is an 2-digit number while 4 is an 1-digit number. So just like we did in addition, we'll split the 16 in 2 parts, that is ones and tens. Now just like addition, subtraction also starts from ones place, that is from the back. So first here we will subtract 6 and 4. Now 6 minus 4, what is the answer? First take out 6 fingers. From that fold 4 fingers. Now count how many you have left. 1, 2. So 6 minus 4 is 2. Now the step 2 is subtract the tens. Over here just we have 1 digit, that is 1. Below that nothing is there. So we'll consider it as 0. Now Do you remember when we subtract nothing from a number? What is the answer? The number itself. So simply copy the 1 as it is down. So our answer is 12. She has 12 chocolates left with her. Let's see one more example. Ishan has 14 toys. He loses 4 of them. Now, how many toys does he have left? Let's count it. What is step 1? Always first subtract the ones. That is 4 minus 4. What is 4 minus 4? Take out 4 fingers, fold 4 fingers. How many you left? Nothing. So 0 will come. Now step 2. Subtract the tens. Again only one number, that is 1. Nothing below that. So 1 minus 0, 1. So he has 10 toys left with him. Exercise 3. Subtract the following numbers. First one, 19 minus 6. Step 1. Subtract the ones. That is 9 minus 6. So take out 9 fingers. Now fold 6 fingers. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3. Step 2. Subtract the tens. Now we have only 1. So below that nothing is there. So copy 1 as it is. So the answer is 13. Second one, 17 minus 4. Subtract the ones. 7 minus 4. So take out 7 fingers. Out of which fold 4 fingers. So now how many you left with? 1, 2, 3. And now subtract the tens. That is only single number, so copy as it is. So our answer is 13. Third one, 11 minus 0. First subtract the ones. That is 1 minus 0. Now if we subtract 0 from any number, the answer is itself. So it will come 1. Now subtract the tens. Just a single number, so 1, copy as it is down. So our answer is 11. Now our last topic is subtraction word problems. Let's see first example. Kate has 9 seashells. She gives 3 to Ishan. How many seashells does she have left? In the first box, first number, that is 9. In the second small box, now subtraction sign will come. What it is? One single sleeping line. In the third box, second number will come, that is 3. In the fourth small box, equals to sign. And in the last box, our answer. Now count them. 9 minus 3. So take out 9 fingers, out of which you have to fold 3. So now we'll count the remaining fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Kate has 6 seashells left. Second example. There are 18 students in the school library. 7 of them are boys. So how many girls are there? Let's count. In the first box, number 18. In the second box, minus sign. In the third box, 7. In the fourth box, equals to sign. And in the last box, answer will come. But 18 is very big a number. Do you have 18 fingers? No ma'am, we don't have 18 fingers. So now what to do? We cannot do subtraction? No, that is not possible. We can do it. So we'll split 18 in 2 parts, ones and tens. So what is rule? First we'll subtract the ones part, that is 8 and 7. What is 8 minus 7? Take out 8 fingers, out of which you have to fold 7 fingers. Fold them fast. So how many finger you left with? Just 1. So 8 minus 7 is 1. Now subtract the tens. Now we have just one number, so we'll copy as it is. So what is our answer? 11. So there are 11 girls. With this, our chapter Addition and Subtraction within 20 ends here. Thank you.